So let's start now. The maybe part two of your lecture one. So let me go back to the presentation where I left. This is a small video about C programming. So whatever I have explained till this point, it's might be summarized in this video. Let's see what is there in this video. Uh, I'm not sure whether the audio is shared with you. So I will just reshare, including the computer sound. And now you can see this video.
You know what? A computer is a dumb machine. It needs to be instructed on how to perform a particular task, and we use a programming language such as Java, C, C++, Python, and many more to instruct the computer. C is one of the oldest languages, which was invented in 1972. But C is still used today, even though there are newer and easy to understand languages such as Python. C is used to create desktop applications and design operating systems. C is a structure-based programming language that helps us in dividing big programs into multiple parts, which are easy to write and understand. Have you ever wondered how the computer understands the C language? First, we write a code in C using a text editor tool. This is called a source file. This source file then goes into the compiler, where the compiler looks for any errors. If there are no errors, then the file is sent to linker. Here, the functions of the code are identified, and the code is sent to the loader. The loader then gives the instruction to the computer.
So this is how the entire C program works. And now we start with the hands-on session. So I want all of you to